Alden Nature Update, yung event kahapon ni Alden sa Manila PIM, sa World Trade Center. And supposedly, Jed Yabut, sabi niya, stay tuned for our sighting in collaboration with Alden, a special capture collection of outdoor pieces coming soon. And may abangan kay Alden sa bagong house niya. Ayan pa nga yung video. Ang daming tao dyan, oh. Ayan pa nandyan si Alden. Ayan yung mga furniture. Ayan, made in Pinoy. Ayan, gawang Pinoy. Yung mga furniture. At ibang mga nandyan. Dito sa parang showroom.
Yes, kasi I mean, it's my first time here. I didn't know that meron palang yearly na ginagawa ganitong event si DTI.
Of course, every year kailangan nandito ka na.
Oo nga po. So, bigyan niyo na po ako ng lahat. One per booth. Para may reason tayo to come back. No, but kidding aside, I mean...
Ayan, yung interview ni Alden. Ayan, tingin-tingin din si Alden para
nonetheless, I mean, it's an honor that I actually see a lot of your works online.
Thank you.
It's different when you see it in person. That's what I can share to everyone. I mean, and what I really appreciate about these kinds of art pieces, I don't call it furniture. These are art pieces because everyone here in Manila Pen actually, all of the things that they're showcasing here right now are art pieces. Hindi lang sa palamuti sa bahay or upuan or kakainan. It's years and years of experience.
kaya yung mga sinabi ni Alden. Art pieces, not furniture. Yung gwapo pa nga ni Alden eh. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for more update. This is Richard the Action Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.